Hi everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. How are you this evening? My name is Soroya and we're going to harvest some stuff from our productive food forest. Yes, we have been growing food in our backyard garden. Today is November 3. We should be getting a storm, Raphael. I'm not sure if it's a direct hit, but before it comes, let us harvest some food. Come along. So taking the last patio cucumber from this plant. All right, so it has been doing well. We should have planted about two or three of them. Look at this, guys. These things are they're all over the place. There are some nuisances. All right, there are stink bugs, and they just take up every single plant. Well, I put a seed in this container, cucumber seed, just like what I just harvested. I'm not seeing it germinated as yet, so hopefully it will germinate in a few days. And give it some more time. And I cover it because I don't want anything to get to that seedling. I take in this. This is a Carlo Amaranth. Just taking some Carlo leaves as I go around, taking the better leaves. This pipe has some weeds and some baby choy that revamp the soil. So let me just take out the baby choy. And this is how small they will get. So they're not going to get any bigger than this. We have some purple one in the mix as well. Alright, so we have a lovely bouquet here. Just gonna take them. You don't want them to be damaged. And as I said before, this is how big they will get. Alright, so grabbing some sweet peppers. This one is turning to a purple color. Purple and red, I think. And this one is not a bad size. Look at this, guys. Alright. Alright, so one is hiding right here. Let's take it as well. It's lovely. We have a lot of weeding to do as well. A lot of weeds. The rains have been falling for some time now. The weeds are going up quickly. Alright, taking this Cubanelle pepper. And that small pepper over there is not going any further, so I'll just take it from now. Just taking a handful of spinach leaves, not a lot. this time. And we are able to harvest from this every single day, as I said before. Alright, so I'm just gonna use this and leave the rest for some other time. Let me get some big leaves up top here. Some bigger leaves up here. And guys, these things spread like crazy, especially when it's raining now. They just spread. So we will never be out of spinach. And we are going to get some rain, so it's a bit overcast. And as I said before, this spinach patch is coming from over the neighbors. So we are being blessed by this spinach patch. And we're so grateful for it. Alright, so we have some plants for these beds down here. So when we're ready to put in some tomato plants right here, we're just gonna cut this off a bit. Not too much, just a bit, and use up those leaves so it can spread a bit wider that way. But we're gonna use up these beds for some tomatoes soon. Alright, so stay tuned for that one. Alright guys, so this is our little harvest from our food forest for this afternoon. We have cucumber, we have some sweet peppers, bell pepper and a cubanelle, and we have some baby chows and spinach. What else? We have some calla leaves or amaranth leaves. This is organically grown and you can do it too in your own backyard. So do remember to start that garden one container at a time, and we will see you pretty soon. Bye bye for now. Guys, look at our pigeon peas growing nicely. Hopefully, we can get a harvest from it soon. Not seeing any blossoms on it yet.